hours apart, I was finally on my way to meet my friend. But life had other plans. One wrong train, countless twists, and an unforgettable journey ahead. Let's dive in.
Mete coach C. Yeah. I know I buy the BC home, but I'm sure that is my idea. Now, I was talking about her because of red flag, and I feel me I was seeing good now. Say, by any actual booking spot. That's almost will be a good I was try trying to. Baby. Maybe I'm this screen. Maybe I'm this screen.
At this point, I was so confident I was on the right train until the train took off. When I realized I was on the wrong train, oh dear. I got anxious and went to speak to a member of staff who coincidentally was my countryman.
No, my husband so I for and now. No, what time to find. It's maybe also.
Due to an unfortunate incident, the train stopped in Peterborough unexpectedly and I got off.
Train line, mama train I cause delays and I may that is it. So I just got out of my train and I may come back. My train way, I was 9 coaches. You can imagine, very long train. That's the LNR 53. That's the LNR Azuma. Where you can have your LNR Azuma. It's a very long train. See, finally, I'm going out of the train station.
I headed to my friend's apartment and oh my days, it was all joy.
Only problem. Me no matter if you knew. Hey, Radiata. Watch me try. Hey, watch you. Hey, not your regular mommy. Hey. Hi, baby girl. What's going on?
So, I bought my African meal.
Okay.
So this one here is called akransie.
Akransie. Oh, never had that before.
Akransie papabi.
Akransie sounds interesting.
And this is Kobe.
Oh, Kobe.
This is Nkrumah.
Oh, Nkrumah.
Oh, this one is Amani.
Amani. Oh, good. I like your African meal.
And the soup is katikonto.
Oh, katikonto.
After the meal, we headed out to the mall, and every chance that we had, oh dear, video kakra. Antonym na oba. Hello, yeah, that's Nadia. That's me.
That's you, yeah?
Yeah. Photo kakra. We also had an interview, which is on my YouTube channel. How do you find the accent?
Sometimes I usually have to ask like them to repeat it. When I need it, over me. I'm even doing it.
Oh, Jenny, how was it? For flight,
It was quite stressful.
have you tried British food and India? And I say, what I saw with you on India and maybe
One for the morning coat, lip balm, jacket, and socks.
nice.
Hi, darling.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Now this ends our tour in Peterborough. Goodbye.